until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, your storm near Hartsville or 12 miles south of Ravenna, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Canton, Nassau, Green, Alliance, North Canton, Louisville, Montgomery, Minerva, Hartsville, Randall, Atwater, East Canton, Deerfield, Myers Lake, Hills and Dales, Louisville, Maximo, Perry Heights, Green. For your protection, move to a first floor of the building. Repeating. Warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. East. Following counties in Ohio, Portage and Stark.
Urgent weather message for the following county, Holmes, Ohio. The National Weather Service issued a tornado warning for southeastern Holmes County in northeastern Ohio until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Millersburg, moving east at 20. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Berlin around 3:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Walnut Creek and Farmers Down around 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Sugar Creek around 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by include Chum and Baltic.
I know it's not raining at the moment, but